for the Grinch logs, I was trying to think about how to ice these because I felt like last year we wasted a lot of ganache. We piped it on in the end. I felt like it was just wasteful. So we'll try that out. The gingerbread white chocolate cookies today. So our cookie. Cut out sugar cookies. So sugar. Are we doing it out of sugar cookies or gingerbread? What? The shapes. Sugar cookies. Sugar cookies. Gingerbread cake, what we've done. Let's look at some mince pies. Let's maybe try a batch today with the psyllium husk and see if that works. Twelve to 15 minutes. Gonna do more. How about quantity wise? I love Grinch. Oh, that's a good amount. As that happens otherwise, yes, exactly. Oh, she's a beauty! Nice. This end's a bit boofy, but he's fine. He's a lump, isn't he? I just... see what size this is. Whoa, Nelly! So sorry. This is one size. This is the other size. This one's a little bit big. Oh yeah, cute. Oh yeah, that's nice. Candy canes are nice.
Really, I don't want it to overpower the...
Yeah, it's too shiny. The way that we're going to do this. And then give that a little trim. Seems a bit wasteful doing this. Lots of dough left over. I wonder if I can I don't know, I'll do that in a minute. So let's just concentrate on the, that's better. Just tuck it and roll. Tuck and roll. Okay, that should be enough. Right, so I'm just gonna take me log. I'm gonna roll it in some little bad boys. So what do I do with this excess? It just feels a bit wasteful. I mean, that's quite a large cookie. So let's go plop. Don't know, looks a bit messy. Saves wastage though.
Oh, they look cute though. So, how thick are we thinking? They look quite small. My dad did quite small. Right, there's lots of different size cookies on there.
So they aren't quite small, but they're only just little testers. But look how cute they are. So cute. They're tiny. They need to be bigger, which means I need a bigger thing to roll. So therefore the roll is bigger. If that makes sense. sorry. Lemon. Cinnamon sugar. And this is testing purposes. I'm just gonna help me enough. Looking like a beaut. Right. These are the cinnamon snickerdoodle cookies, 10 minutes. And these are going to be sandwiched, like soft Mallory cookies sandwiched with a cinnamon white chocolate ganache, and they are delicious. Right, this is the cinnamon. You know what? They look quite good. I like the subtle crumb size. And this is the cinnamon sugar. I just didn't think the taste was that good in this one. Yep. See, it's a nice flat. Well, depends how flat we go, but it's just to, I suppose, just take the edge off. Yeah. Gingerbread cookie. That is a Christmas cookie. Now, it's a bit underbaked, potentially. It's still warm. I believe it's go cold. It's all very well trying warm cookies. When you sell them to customers, they're not going to be warm, so it's an unrealistic view. But they're nice. So now I'm going to make some cinnamon ganache to go inside them. And I say like this ganache, I think I'm just going to whiten just slightly because it's a little bit too yellow.
Yeah.
Obviously it'll go a bit brown once I add all the cinnamon stuff, but just to get that yellow turn out. Okay, right, fine. Use colour mill. That. Only got a little batch here. So a little bit. I just have to work out ratios of this. Chocolate is so strong, it overpowers it. You can't actually taste. That's enough. Yeah, white chocolate's such a strong. Well, because you use like good quality one. Yeah. It overpowers that. We need more of that. 100%. Like quite a lot. Split it. No, it doesn't, does it? I told you. It's the white chocolate overpowers everything.
Mind you, actually, it tastes like it's got something.
It has got a spice, but not enough.
Yeah.
So put some on your cookie. What are you saying?